In today's video, I will show you how to turn off incognito mode on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Incognito mode or private browsing modes are designed to protect user privacy to avoid any tracking. Today, over 20% of the users are relying on the incognito mode for their usage. However, there are contains fields such as schools, universities, or businesses where disabling incognito mode becomes a necessity for better transparency and enforcing proper usage policy. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable the incognito mode on your Android phone. But now, what if you want to turn this off? You want to get out from the incognito mode. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Chrome. So in here, I will open the incognito mode first from here. So now, if you see on my screen, there's only blank screen. It means I've on my incognito mode on my browser. Now, if you want to turn this off, you can just tap. There's like here 3 dots on the up right corner. Now you can just choose on new tab. Okay, so now if you scroll down your screen, you'll find there is an option, this one, incognito tabs. If you tap on that, so you'll close all incognito tabs. You can just do that. So now you have disabled the incognito mode on your Android. It's very simple, right? And if you want to turn this on again, you can just tap on the 3 dots over here like this. And if you want to close, you want to disable, you can just scroll down your screen and you'll find there's an option incognito mode tabs. You can just tap on that, close all incognito modes in here. Very simple, right? Like this. So the incognito mode now has disappeared, has turned off. It's very simple. So that is how to turn off incognito mode on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.